Hi there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Carousel module. So with this module you can embed a slideshow onto any page you want basically. So all we have to do is we have this web page here and we're using this layout.carousel_static tag, so this layout tag, and we've placed it onto this web page called embedded carousel. And so what this allows us to do is allows us to embed this slideshow onto this page. And we can see that if we look at this. So this is what that slideshow actually looks like. We can see we can cycle through these images if we want to, and we can click on them, and it opens up like a kind of a pop-up, larger version of that. So that's kind of what that allows us to do. Now, where the real magic happens is this actually allows you to categorize the images and display specific images on the page you want them to show up. So for example, we have this page right here with this tag, this layout tag, but we also have global tags. So there's two types of tags. We have layout tags, which we can see here is labeled layout, and that will pull in the layout, but then we also have global tags, and this is what allows us to utilize this sorting. So this page is tagged with camps. Okay, now if we go to our carousel module and we click on one of these images, you can see it has some general information like the name of the image, the category, the image itself, and a caption. Now the name and the category are simply for labeling and organizational purposes, so no real functionality built in there. Now you can also see that global tags is here as well, and this is also labeled as camps. And so because both this web page is tagged as camps with global tags, and this image is also tagged in the same way, that image will then get pulled into this page, which we can see here. This image right here now gets pulled in. Whereas if we go to a different image which uses a different tag, such as like one of these other examples, this uses a different tag called yBox examples. This image doesn't get shown on this page because it has a different tag. Okay, so that's kind of how this works. So it's pretty simple. All you have is just, like I said, a name and a category, which are for labeling and organizational purposes. You have your image, and then you have an optional caption. If you want to utilize this, you can. Alright, so that's really all there is. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.